For the best experience, please watch this video on a phone or tablet. Set the resolution to high. Stand up and pan your phone to look around.
Standing at the crossroads of land and sea, mangroves are extraordinary ecosystems. They offer numerous benefits to both nature and communities and play an important role in building climate resilience in coastal areas. Their dense root ecosystems provide a haven for biodiversity and act as natural buffers, protecting coastal communities from the devastating impacts of storms and tidal surges. Moreover, these coastal wonders play a significant role in sequestering carbon, mitigating climate change. The Aga Khan Foundation has been collaborating with Big Ship, a local civil society organization working in the coastal area of Mombasa, on mangrove restoration. Together, we have established mangrove nurseries, trained local communities on mangrove protection, and shared knowledge on alternative livelihood opportunities.
Can you tell us where we are today?
Yeah, here we are is Mikindani Conservation Site, which is in Chuda Creek. Chuda Creek is one of the 3 creeks within Mombasa, which has 3,700 hectares. But here we have about 1,600 hectares of mangroves.
Yeah, so can you tell us why mangrove is important to Aga Khan Foundation and Big Ship organization?
Mangrove is important to Aga Khan and Big Ship because we are part of the larger community who are being supported by this mangrove ecosystem. Because one, it helps us to be able to do right interventions as far as climate change is concerned. And also it helps us to support community livelihoods and also community resiliency in terms of climate change adaptation and mitigation.
Okay, good to hear. And what are some of the factors do you consider when you are doing planting of mangrove?
Yeah, when doing planting, there are some key factors we need to consider. Largely, we call it the integrity of the mangrove that need to be ensured we put into it. But mostly we do site assessment, making sure that we understand the type of site we have and this type of seedlings and trees that we have in that site. For example, here we have about 5 species. We have Rhizophorus, Avicennia, Soniracia, we have Bulgaria, and these are all mangroves that are within this forest. Also, we also do consider site assessment as part of looking at the disturbance and looking into the past, the present, and the future of the mangrove before you do any restoration.
Wow. And how has Aga Khan Foundation and Big Ship partner in restoration of mangrove and also to help you mitigate the impacts of climate change?
Yeah, we are partnered in many ways, and especially last year, we have been able to do a lot of work, starting with one, being able to do capacity building of young people to be able to be climate change and green champions and change agents who are going to be able to put this knowledge in the community and to be the local experts in matters of ecosystem conservation. Also, we've been able to restore over 70,000 trees within this mangrove ecosystem with over 84% success rate, which is a very good impact. Yeah.
Each one of us can play a powerful role in mangrove protection and restoration. Mangroves are not just mere trees. They are the guardians of our shared future. They embody the essence of resilience and change. Mangroves will take center stage in Aga Khan Foundation's Indian Ocean Coastal Regeneration Initiative, where we will continue to work together with coastal communities to protect coastal habitats, adopt alternative sustainable livelihood activities, and foster community well-being.